So you've heard about the buzz of cryptocurrency. People are making money with it, people are losing money with it, people are making money back again with it. And you're just wondering, how do you actually make money with cryptocurrency? Well, in today's video, we're going to be going through all the different types of proven strategies to make money with cryptocurrencies, ranging from simple investment strategies to more unconventional methods. Let's dive right in. So let's start things off with the simplest and honestly the most beginner-friendly method, which is just buying and holding cryptocurrencies that you think will take off. This strategy is called HODLing, which is a funny way of saying to buy cryptocurrency and just hang on to it for the long term. Most major cryptocurrencies like BeCoin, Ethereum, and similar cryptocurrencies, generally speaking, trend upwards in value. Sure, the market is volatile and prices go down and up daily, but zoom out on the graph and you'll see a long-term trajectory upwards. So what you have to do for this is you'll need to choose a reliable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. And then what you want to do after that is you want to choose your coin you want to invest in. You can also diversify and invest in multiple different coins we just recommended for this kind of strategy. So you can choose some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And these are really good starter coins. And altcoins can be later on, but I do recommend going with these more major cryptocurrencies first. And then after that, all you have to do is just set it and forget it. And if you really want to do better long-term investment strategy, dollar cost averaging is by far the best strategy for long-term investments. So basically you just buy every week or every month the same consistent value, so you get both ups and downs. So you can either do a big lump sum and just put it into cryptocurrency, or you can do dollar cost averaging. Strategies are great, but I do prefer the dollar cost averaging strategy, especially for beginners. It's also really important to note that this isn't a get rich quick scheme, so this will take time. It's like planting a tree, so this is a longer term strategy. So if you can't wait, I wouldn't recommend this strategy. If you can't wait, there's also another option. It's called trading. Okay, so this isn't for everybody, but if you're into the idea of actively managing your finances, then trading could be your thing. So there are two main approaches to trading. So one is day trading. This day trading is basically buying and selling within hours or even minutes sometimes to profit from really small price changes. And swing trading is when you hold the coin for a few days or a few weeks, aiming to profit from larger market swings. So to do trading, you can use platforms with more advanced features like Pocket Option or Binance, which offer more advanced trading tools. And you'll want to learn the basics of technical analysis as well. For example, understanding charts, trends, indicators like the RSI and MACD as well. But the thing with trading is that it's risky, and most beginners will lose money when they start out with it. So it's recommended that you do start trading with a demo account instead of a real account. Platforms like Pocket Option and Quotex offer these demo accounts, and you can find the links to sign up for those with a bonus on our website, becoin.net. And next, let's cover staking and earning passive income. And this is where things get super interesting. So think about putting your cryptocurrency to work for you, kind of like earning interest on a savings account. It's very minimal effort, and it's just a great way of making passive income. So some cryptocurrencies operate on something called a proof of stake system. When you stake your coins, meaning you lock them up in the network, you can validate transactions and keep the system running. So in return for this, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more coins. A few coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot are amazing coins for staking. And trusted platforms like Kraken and Binance offer staking. This is a really low effort way to grow your holdings, but remember that your stake coins are usually locked up for certain periods, so they're not very liquid, and if they are volatile, that means you could potentially even lose money. Now let's get into the more advanced stuff. So now we can get into yield farming, a more advanced way to earn passive income. So this basically involves providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So here's how this works exactly. So first, you deposit your coins into a liquidity pool where other traders can use them. And in return, you get earn rewards, often in the form of trading fees or native tokens. It sounds fancy, but you have to be careful. Yield farming comes with some risk, like impermanent loss, where your investments could lose value due to certain market fluctuations. And if you're tech savvy and you like the hardware of things, you can do cryptocurrency mining. And it's how Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies are actually created. Essentially, you use your computer's power to solve complex mathematical problems. In return, you're rewarded with the coins. So you could either use your own personal computer or you could buy machines that do the mining for you. But here's the thing, traditional mining requires expensive hardware and it takes a lot of electricity. So you'll have to look at the numbers properly before deciding on this. And if that's too much of like an active involvement for you, there's also another option called cloud mining. So cloud mining lets you rent computer power from, let's say, a mining company, and they do all the hard work for you. Websites like Genesis Mining and Hashflare are popular options, but research carefully because there are a lot of scams out there, especially for cloud mining. Next is a less obvious but a highly effective way to make money with cryptocurrencies. So many cryptocurrency exchanges offer affiliate programs that pay you to refer new users to them. For example, you can sign up for an exchange that offers a referral program like Binance or Coinbase, and then you share your unique link on social media or with friends and family. And then when someone signs up and trades, you earn rewards. So sometimes it's cash, sometimes it's cryptocurrency. And this is a great way to make an extra stream of income. It often can't sustain you, but it's just a great side income for most people. And another fun, unconventional way to make money with cryptocurrency is through NFTs and play-to-earn games. So NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, let you buy and sell digital assets like art, music, and even in-game items. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible are popular marketplaces for NFTs. And then there are also games like Axie Infinity, where you can earn cryptocurrencies just by playing it. These methods aren't for everybody, but if you're creative or enjoy gaming, for example, they can be effective ways and also fun ways to dip into the cryptocurrency space. So now before we wrap up, let's talk about safety for a little bit. So cryptocurrency is full of opportunities, but it's also full of scams. There are a lot of scams out there, especially in the cryptocurrency market, which is less regulated than all the other financial markets. This means there are fake exchanges, there are phishing attacks, and there are even Ponzi schemes. Here are some quick tips to protect yourself. So I would only use well-known exchanges that have a lot of reviews under them, and 2, never share any private keys or seed phrases with anybody you know except for yourself. And 3, be skeptical of offers that sound too good to be true. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. So whether you want to hold Bitcoin for the long term, earn rewards through staking, or explore the frontiers of NFTs and gaming, there's no shortage of ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Just remember to start small, stay informed, and always be aware of the risks. Like and follow for more information like this.